Hello, this is Darren from About That Life Japan. Thank you for tuning into the channel. This is a quick video. I just wanted to run through my living room and show you how 3D printing has helped me create the hobby room of my dreams. So this is my little hobby office. Down below, my hobby workstation. Over there, my airbrushing area. My antique elephant bone katana and wakizashi. Some pretty cool Japanese prints. This hobby office contains everything I need. And this is where it all started. This is my maker room. These are my first two Prusa MK3S Plus machines. I built these from kits. I used the cheapest route, the IKEA lac tables. These with some plexiglass I used as enclosures. After a lot of failed prints, I finally bought two Sunlu filament dryers. But these FDM printers were not my first 3D printers. My 3D printing experience started with Anycubic, the Anycubic Photon D2 and the Anycubic Photon M3 Max. These printers helped me earn my first commission. This Predator vs. Dutch diorama was the first commission I made. That Anycubic sphere is actually my first 3D print. The detail with these machines is just amazing. These are printed at 0.05 layer height. A little messy because I do use it pretty much every day, but this is my work area. I didn't stop there. This is what it looks like today. In addition to those Sunlu filament dryers, I've added another 4-spool Sunlu filament dryer. That's connected to my 4 Prusa machines. That's the MMU3 system at top, connected to those MK3S Pluses, which are now MK3.9s. Goodbye IKEA lac. Hello Prusa MK4 kits and the Prusa enclosure. Here you can see 2 prints. Do you know what those are from? It's a pretty famous movie. I've added the Creality K1 Max, matching Creality filament dryer, and 2 more Elegoo DLP resin printers.